windshields crack. But let's see if I can pick that up. See that? Last time I installed my tent, I left this piece out right here. You can see it. This piece. So I want to try to put this piece back on, but let's see if I can do it with one hand. I had to put the camera down for a second. I couldn't do it with one hand, but yeah, this is the finished product. Got it back on, and I'm about to tighten it down. And next stop, probably be GameStop. Some nice goodies. Let's go through that later. I'm about to head out here to Best Buy, pick up a few Apple Watch bands. Probably ain't gonna record too much, as you know I'm not that comfortable yet. But yeah, here at Best Buy, as you can see. Let's go ahead and head out. we just got our Best Buy. You know, just about to show you my goodies when I get home. Check them out, show what everything I got. You know, but yeah, I see you when we get there. You know, just left Best Buy. Got a little something. But yeah, I'll see you when I get to the house. Peace.
Shot, we gotta get it, cat back on the street first. Nigga, you know. Save all the hating in the private, nigga, nigga, you know. We got it, but you know.
Oh, shit. Ain't nobody at Popeyes. Can't believe this. I can't believe this. Look at it. Nobody here.
Thank you for choosing Popeyes. How can I help you?
Yes, can I get a classic chicken sandwich combo?
Side and drink. At the moment, I don't have any fries. All I have is beans and rice, mashed or gravy.
Okay, I get beans and rice and gravy, mashed potatoes and gravy.
You said mashed and gravy or the beans and rice?
Beans and rice. Yeah.
All right. What's your drink?
Sprite.
All right. Anything else for you, next lady?
Can I also get the popcorn shrimp combo?
Side and drink.
I get a Hawaiian punch and beans and rice also.
All right. Anything else?
That's it.
All right. So I have the popcorn shrimp with beans and rice and Hawaiian punch.
Yes.
All right. Pull around.
All right, I'm back at home. About to show what I got. Got a new headset for the PlayStation. No, I was using the regularly cheap ass headphones, but you know, got some new ones from GameStop. That's one pickup. I got a Millennium Falcon wireless charger. Yeah, I got two of these things. Nice little pickup. Yeah, great pickup. See how that charges. This out of the way. Don't need this crap. Picked up a charge system for the PlayStation controllers. You know, just a little slight pickup. Slight. Everything. Picked up Apple Watch band for my new Apple Watch and everything. So a little slight now, the slight pickup. And can't go wrong with too many wireless chargers. This is a Iron Man in-game wireless charger. Can't go wrong with them. But yeah, I just got this Popeyes. Since I ain't vegan no more, I'm about to tell this Popeyes. And you know, hit, comment, like, subscribe. That's the end of this vlog. I thank you for tuning in.